In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Etsy store link. If you sell on Etsy, knowing exactly where to grab your shop link is really important. It's the URL you'll share on social media, add to your bio, send to potential customers, or include in your email signature. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the quickest and most reliable way to find and copy your official Etsy shop link right from your Shop Manager dashboard. First, sign into your Etsy account in your web browser. Once you're logged in, go to your Shop Manager dashboard. You can do this by clicking on Shop Manager from the main Etsy navigation. This will open the central hub where you manage everything related to your store, your listings, orders, stats, and of course your shop link. When your Shop Manager dashboard loads, look right at the top of the page. You should see a friendly greeting that says something like "Good afternoon" or "Good morning," followed by your name. This is Etsy's way of confirming you're in the correct account, and just below that greeting is where your shop URL appears. Take a moment to locate that URL. It will usually look like a standard web address containing the Etsy domain and your shop name. This is the direct link that takes people straight to your storefront, so you want to make sure you're looking at it carefully to recognize it in the future. If you have more than one shop associated with your account, make sure you're in the correct shop's dashboard before you copy the link. Right next to that URL, you'll see a small link or copy icon. This icon is there to make your life easier. Instead of manually highlighting the text and copying it, all you need to do is click that icon once. When you click it, Etsy will automatically copy your full shop link to your clipboard in the background. After clicking, you can go to any place you want to paste it: your browser, a document, your notes app, or directly into a social media post. Use the standard paste command on your device, and your full Etsy shop link will appear, ready to share. That's all there is to it. By using the Shop Manager dashboard and the built-in copy icon, you always know you're using the correct, up-to-date link to your Etsy store.